We see this all the time with customers. They have disjointed systems. They have to input data in here in another system and another. They have to create manual quotes from Word templates. It just makes the life of your teams extremely stressful. They have a lot of customers to serve. So trying to simplify all of that is what's going to get you ahead of the curve. The other thing that we've noticed is that, especially in the quoting process, if your team is making errors in the quoting process, if the team is delivering the wrong products at the wrong time, customers are returning them, causing a lot of pain to the organization, that can mean a lot of operational costs, missed opportunities, frustrated customers. So the more you can industrialize your sales process and your quoting process, the less errors the team is making. And that's where the magic starts. Customers feel confident that they're getting the right products at the right time. And that's when all of a sudden the different teams are also collaborating and cross-selling and upselling. You may be selling a specific technology with a specific sales team here, and you have another team selling another type of company, but maybe there's a cross-sell opportunity. Again, with the right CRM, as a manufacturer, you probably have multiple lines of business, multiple divisions. If you're not creating synergies across these, trust me, the competition is. Again, with the right CRM, with that customer 360, now you can have different divisions collaborating and hitting those big projects with all of your different lines of products. And again, that's where the magic happens. And that's where we've seen very successful manufacturers out there expand on their market, either organically or through acquisitions. And right now with acquisitions, if you're not creating those cross synergies, those cross-selling opportunities, what's the point? What's the point of the acquisition in the first place?